Hello, if you are wondering if you can change the theme on Motorola Moto G04 or G04s, then the answer is apparently not really. There are no theme presets. However, you can do some customization to your display and home screen, etc. that you can consider as changing the theme. So for instance, we can open the wallpaper settings. So let's press and hold on empty space on the home screen in order to open these options. And then we can go to wallpapers. Now over here, we have several different colors, as you can see over here, and they will pretty much adjust the colors or the theme, let's say, of your device. I like the first one over here, but if you want to, we can also tap on these three dots in order to find more of them over here. So remember that you can change them here. We can also go to other colors in order to set something even more. And in addition to that, we can also set the dark theme if needed. So we can tap dark theme here in order to switch it on. Now, this is of course only several options. We can also go back, and now we can also go to settings. So let's open the settings. Now we can go to display settings, and then over here we can once again change the dark theme. We can turn it on or off. We can also change the display size and text, so you can adjust it as you wish. You can make the text bigger or smaller, and we can also adjust the size of the icons. We can also enable or disable the bold text. I'm gonna turn this off actually. Now let's go back. We also have the font style, so if you want to use a different font, then you can change it over here. Like so. For instance, I will choose this one. If I go back, you can see it is now changed. We also have the icon shape, so we can use different shape of icons if needed. Then we can go back. Oh, sorry, we can also save it by pressing the save button here. There we go. And that's pretty much it. We also have color palette. Over here we can see the preview, how it looks like, so we can use the different colors if needed. And that's pretty much it. This is everything that we can do by default on the Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!